package from Benefit and let's see what's inside. So this is the newest product from Benefit. Benefit has been known for their POREfessional balm. I have been using this for my clients. I swear, they can see how their pores minimize instantly. So I really use this for my brides, especially if they have a lot of pores on the sides of the nose or nose area, as in they can really see the effects. So swore by it, so definitely worked. But here's the setting spray that I haven't tried, and I don't have pores because I have dry skin. Di ba sinabi perfect ako ha? Wala akong pores because my skin are tight and dry. But I wanted to use this for the fact that this is waterproof, this is smudge proof, and fade proof. Perfect for mask season. So I have full makeup on. So we will see if putting this on will make your makeup transfer or not. So guys, I hope you will swipe up and watch what happened after trying out this after trying out the POREfessional Super Setter. It is long-lasting makeup setting spray. I will try for the longevity, but for now, let's see if it's transfer proof. Just swipe up, and I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you so much for watching.